everyone, welcome to another video. Before it begins, I want to mention that only a small portion of my viewers that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see similar content, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind.
That was beautiful.
You guys coming off the dash? Oh, we killed that video.
Son of a bitch.
I'm not gonna try to stop him. I'm just gonna follow him forever.
I just switched the video.
Go for it. I don't care. Yes, my name is Alex Smith. I was hit by a road rager. I called 911. They were sending out a trooper, and now the individual is trying to run from the scene.
Okay, you happen to see the tag on that vehicle?
Yes, we're actually recording him now. It is
MZR.
Mike Zulu Robert 4360. He took exit 95 south, and we are now on a city street that's 25 miles an hour. He's still doing 50-ish.
Are you trying to keep up with that vehicle?
Yes, sir, I am. Well, I mean, he just hit my vehicle, and now he's running.
Okay, what state is that tag on?
It's Texas. He has a big spool in the back end, like he's in a electrical spool, but it's huge. It probably weighs. He's turning now into a Phillips 66.
Okay, I need you to just go ahead and continue driving and be pulling to that parking lot. I need you to stay away from him. We've got a tag number for that vehicle. Whoever needs to find you and crash report.
Okay. I am headed to the auto zone that's really just directly.
Let me get on Wichita Bad Drivers real quick.
How did they stop in time? Holy AZF622. I'm going straight, bro.
Oh, hold on.
Okay, Presto. How are you doing?
So, tried to get her to go out earlier around 1 o'clock.
But there is a prayer march tomorrow in Washington, D.C. with Franklin Graham. We talked about that earlier. Conservatives make a right turn on Terrace Way. Waning in the respect for the dead. It's now the hard left that's coming for Gifford. This unapproved. Is there anybody?
Okay, Presto.
More of a